Hey, my crafty friends. We're working on fall projects. We wanted to get a head start for the fall season, and we're going to do some dryer vent pumpkins. So I'm going to give you some measurements, and I'm going to give you the colors I used. So I used Rust-Oleum, satin nutmeg, satin cinnamon, and satin ivory silk. This did take about 2 coats to cover the whole vent. And I had to do 2 coats on one side and then flipped it upside down and then 2 coats that way. Now the measurements I used for these stackable pumpkins, which I also have done where I just did single pumpkins. So it's a 6-inch diameter vent and I cut it 44 inches long. A 4-inch diameter I cut 28 inches long. And a 3-inch diameter I cut 23 inches long. So that's the measurements for the 3 that I've done here, and I stacked them. I used a dowel in the center and then just embellished them up. Hot glue or Gorilla Glue would work excellent on these because if they're going to be outside, in California we still get a hot temperature, those should hold. Sometimes in colder climates the hot glue won't hold. You just have to keep re-gluing it. So I'm putting Spanish moss in between the pumpkins just to kind of hide that area when you put the 2 together. Plus then that means the bottom of the dryer vent doesn't have to be completely sprayed. You can still see a little bit of the silver. But any sizes, doing various sizes and various colors, these are so cute to set around the house, on your porch. If you're doing a craft fair, do these in all different sizes. Get started now so you can be all ready for your craft fairs. Thanks for joining.